Number 10, Dinesling to number 1. Bonus shot naman. Number 0, layup. Number 10, layup. Wala. Now ni number 0. 15. Nakalusot to SM. Number 10, Velasco Pan staying 3 points. 11, pinagiging number 15, pass to Gunter. Gunter, pinagiging number 14. 14, Pumege, pinasay number 11. 11, floater. 14, Rivera, pinagiging 11, pass to Erdayo. Erdayo, taking 2.
Siya pa yan!
Pangalawang tira, number 14. 14, biglang bumuhol ng 3. 3. Number 14, taking 3 na naman. 14, Rivera, taking 3. Number 11, liniparan si number 12. Pinasa kay Erdayo. Erdayo, wow. Pangalawang tira, number 11, Digno. Number 11, gandang nagmamadali. 11, Pumegit, tinira ng 2. Number 6, pass to 14, Rivera. 14, floater. Personal foul. Warning. Second throw and pass to 11, Digno. Number 11, floater. Number 14, pass to 21, layup. Pass to 14, Rivera. Traveling. Pass to number 10, nagiging number 0 pag ginawan taking 3. Number 10, binigay kay Gunter, 2 points. 14 pa rin. Bounce pass kay number 20. Pass number 10, Velasco Pan, stay 3. 14. Pass number 10, Velasco Pan, stay 3 again. Number 0, Panglinawan. Number 0, biglang pumira ng 3. Radura. 4-6. Pass to 13, Tol na binigay number 6 na rin tayo. Gandang pege, floater. Pass to 4-6, Radura. Bounce pass kay number 11, dinukot pa sa kabila. 4-6, easy. 2-11, Digno, libre. Easy to 4-6. 4-6, pass to number 14. 15, shoot, binigay 11, Digno. 11, sumaga sa layup. 14, pass to 4-6. 4-6, pass to Gunter. Gunter, Migon, 2 points. 14, Rivera. 15, shoot. 14, bumukol ng 3. Rivera, pass number 0, Paglinawan. Binigay kay 14, Rivera, pass to Paglinawan, taking 3 points. 11. 11 pa rin? 11, nagsi number 1, 2 points. 10, second to shoot. 14, Rivera. 14, hinagis basket yan. 10, second to shoot. 14, Rivera, take 3 points.